I've been looking to get my teeth fixed through implants or something, but implants are just way too expensive. I'm missing a couple of teeth. I got a silver cap, a broken tooth here. I never smiled widely because I didn't want to show my teeth. Then one day I was on Facebook and pop-up veneers came up and it looked like it might be the solution. I immediately ordered the veneers. They sent me the impression kit. It came to me within 2 days. I made the impressions, which was a simple process, sent it back, and within 2 weeks, it came right back. It popped on very quickly. And look at the difference. I can smile widely and not be ashamed of my teeth, and it's changed my life. I could not afford implants. Pop-on veneers had a great deal. I couldn't be happier. My girlfriend's happy. I'm happy. Thank you, Pop-on Veneers.